Okay, now proceeding naman sa tangent line to a curve. So here, yung main idea na you have to find is yung y prime. Y prime will give you the equation of the tangent line to the curve. So, yun lang talaga. You know how to derive naman na para ma-achieve ang y prime. So, let's proceed agad sa problem. So, practice will lead to perfection. So, here. Given tayo ng isang equation. We are to find the equation of the tangent line to that curve given these points. So, first step is to differentiate the given equation with respect to x, of course. Yan. So, ganyan. Pwede pa natin siya ma-simplify by dividing it by 2. So, remember na y prime ang kailangan natin to find the equation of the line. So, we have to isolate it. Now that we have the equation ng y prime, we can substitute these values to this. So, let x be equal to this, and yung ganun. So, papasok lang. As you can see, naging resulting value is negative 2 over 0. So, note, remember that the slope is the change in y over the change in x, rise over run. So, yan, as you can see, y, we don't have a 0. So, meaning, wala siyang 0, hindi nagpapalit yung 0 niya. Wala siyang run. Pura rise lang. Ganun lang yung change ng slope niya. So, I'll show you na Cartesian plane. So, meaning, pag naka-over siya sa 0, meaning, vertical line lang siya. Kasi pura y lang yung changes. Ganito yung magiging itsura ng line. So, ito yung naging Cartesian plane. Pura changes in y in negative 2. So, ganito yung magiging tsura ng line. Yan. Pura change in y lang yung pangyayari. Diretso yan hanggang sa infinity. So, the equation is yan para sa first point. Because you can find the line at x equal negative 2. Here. So, dun nyo siya mahanap. That is equation 1. So, sa next point, pasok natin siya ulit dun sa given formula. So, yan. So, makikita natin, magka-cancel lang yung negative sign. So, maybe 0 over 4. Yeah. So yan, magiging equation ng line is at 4. So ganito naman yung itsura ng ano. Horizontal naman siya. Pag 0 yung taas, tapos may number na non-zero sa denominator. Magiging horizontal lang yung equation ng line.